What is it? What?
I don't have a flashlight.
Fucking awesome.
I
What's
have
bottom
plane
left?
tickets. I,
Bottom left. Dude, this is one big ass box. And how do we know to pull the keys out and shit and do that first?
all right,
Anyways,
so
bottom
the
left.
bottom left is I don't know a
Little
fucking TV,
children's game.
little TV set.
What? Do you have a fucking remote at all?
No, I have a thing where it says power on it. It's like a power box. Then there's ones that are it's
Did
elements.
you hear that?
What?
Did you hear that shit?
What?
You didn't hear the animal noises?
No. I have anim. I okay. I have animals. I'm in it. I clicked it and then I just started hearing a cow moo.
Dude, I clicked it.
Alright, stop.
I'm not clicking it.
Oh, you're not?
No, dude, it just keeps going.
Oh, we. Mine's a. Is this a cat?
Blank of sheep, blank seeking, blank count, blank that, blank keep.
I got a cat and a chicken. One and then three is a.
Trent, there's a note behind it. Click it, you fucking.
Oh. In place when sleep, the stars vigil.
Is there fucking blank spots in it?
Yeah, place blank, when blank, sleep blank, the stars blank, vigil blank.
Mine's blank of sheep, blank seeking, blank count, blank that, blank keep. So, I don't know.
In place. What's your first blank, you fuck? Stop! What is your. Okay, what's your words?
I can hear you.
This is fucking god awful.
All right, Trent, click one of yours.
In place, what is your words? I would
My
assume yours.
words
I would
of
assume
sheep
when.
seeking count that keep.
In place blank, when blank, sleep blank, the stars blank, vigil blank. What the fuck? Alright, so what are your animals?
A horse and a sheep.
Alright,
Oh,
yours.
wait, don't say anything. What do you have?
It look a cat and a rooster. Alright, rooster is first. My thing lit up.
Sheep is second.
Okay, rooster. Okay.
Rooster, sheep, horse.
Cat. W, baby.
That's it. What does
What?
that mean?
Do we gotta go again? Okay,
Wait, how many stars? How many stars are at the top?
4.
I have 3. So what? That's 7 together.
Okay, goddamn. Oh my
So 7. I'm gonna assume.
god. Okay.
All right, top left. What do you have? Never mind. I have to open.
What's the fucking hint here?
Wait, what?
The note on the left-hand side of the device tells you to count to. Did you cheat?
No. What?
Hold on. I want to see. How'd you? Once you've tapped, the night will fall and stars will come out in all the sky. The correct is chicken, sheep, blah blah blah. It tells you to count the stars. 7. How'd you know to count the stars? You cheated, bitch.
We guessed it. How are we supposed We guessed the answer. How the fuck are we supposed to know?
Wait, you didn't look at the hint? You just cheat? You just counted the stars and said, okay, it's 7?
No, I looked the fucking hint. When we guessed the answer, how the fuck were we supposed to know what it meant?
I don't get it though. What was this? I don't get even the fucking thing.
No, I have no idea, Trent. Like I'm supposed to guess this stupid ass riddle. I ain't Batman. You ain't the
Keep
fucking
an
Riddler.
eye for. Okay.
Ooh.
Tap to hear blah blah blah. Work together, tap them out and correct. Keep an eye for a little scratch. Once you've tapped out, night will fall and stars will come out and all across the sky.
Yeah, 7.
Chicken, sheep, horse, cat, chicken. After stars will come out, the note on the left-hand side of the device tells you to. No, it
Wait, what is
doesn't.
it?
The note on the left-hand side of the device, it says in place when sleep, stars, vigil. Whatever, bro. You
Note,
cheated again, bro.
dude. The note didn't fucking lie. It doesn't say to count the fucking stars. Jesus. Do you see a bunch of jars numbered?
Yeah.
All right, click those. What do
Uh-huh.
you got?
Black is 79, blue is 80, red is 47, yellow's 34.
Black's 3, blue's 77, red's 12, yellow's 26.
Okay, what does that mean? Okay, so what do we do?
I don't know. I just tried to put all mine in. It says retry. What are we gotta make a color?
Okay, hold up, because I did red. Nope. Nope.
Wait,
Nope.
what's your numbers?
79, 80, 47, 34.
All right, none of ours match. I got 312s or 377, 12, 26.
See, it shows restart, but you can keep throwing all the colors in.
Yeah, I know, but it doesn't matter what order you put. It's fucking white, kind of blue, beige, and then black.
I got red. You throw a color in. Throw a color in.
I threw a color in.
Did I change your color?
No.
Okay then.
Wait, wait. You got red?
Yeah.
All right. Wait. What's throw another one in.
It shows kind of teal. I guess that would be blue.
All right, throw another one in.
Brown.
I don't fucking know, dude. So you throw any color in and it turns red?
No, I was throwing combinations and then it made red when I had red. So blue, yellow, brown, red is black, So if you do black, blue. Okay, I did black, blue, and yellow. And red. And then there's red bubbling. Black, blue, yellow. And then when I do red, it was black.
Dude, on next one. Alright, do you see a bunch of like liquor bottles?
No.
What's bottom right for you?
Bottom right is like a fucking telephone cable with 2 antennas that I can do like up, down.
Oh. I see the antennas,
Uh-huh.
and it says antennas equal. Looks like a paper airplane, a trophy, and an apple.
Trophy and an apple. On my antennas I have it's a cone and a circle on top of them.
Yeah. So it shows for me the circle's all the way up. So open the circle all the way up. Like all the way to the top. Can you do that?
Yeah.
And then the middle piece with the cone, that's up one, nothing else is up. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Wait, how many spots is there to open on the cone? There's 4 sections, right? Oh, I lied. I lied. All right, so put it all the way down, both of them.
All the way down?
Yeah. So you could pull the cone up once, twice, 3 times.
Yeah. They're all
right?
down. Okay.
So the top section of the cone is down. The one under that's up, and the other one's down. Do you
Okay,
get that?
got it. Yeah. No, wait,
And then for
the
the
cone
circle,
itself is top. It goes
yeah, I know.
cone, bottom, like
Trent, I'm
there's
talking about it's a fucking telescopic fucking thing. Like it comes out,
yeah,
right?
okay, so the
Yeah,
top
there's
of the cone is
1,
out.
2, 3
Yeah.
sections to that. 4 if you count the handle.
Yeah.
The second one is up. That's it.
Okay,
Everyone
got
else
you.
is pushed in.
Got you.
So for the circle, the top one is pulled out, and the third one is pulled out.
Got it.
Okay. Now what do you see?
A black TV. It's not on, so I think I did it wrong. I think this is pulled out, and that's pulled. Wait, what?
Is there any numbers? Like I have a broken remote. Wait. Can I do this?
Okay, you turned it on.
Put it back how I told you. What is it showing?
Oh, 54. Oh, you're changing channels, are you?
Yeah, I'm clicking buttons on it.
Okay. It's
Wait,
showing.
so if I click 1,
Hold
what
on.
does it show?
Nothing.
What about 2?
Nothing.
What about 3?
Nothing.
4.
Hold on, I'm confused here.
What about now?
What is the cone again? Is I have a picture, but it's hard to see what's in it. It's fucking my eyes up too.
The cone one.
Yeah.
Go down.
You gotta talk louder. I can't hear
Stay
you.
all the way down. Go up 1.
On this one, right?
No. Trent, I swear to God, click
Which
it
one?
again.
This one?
This one. All right. Now go to the circle one. Put that down. Put that back up. Put that one down. Go under. That one up.
Okay.
You fucking stupid bitch. All right. That's the disconnect. You didn't fucking listen to me.
Okay.
All right. Now you're going to click on like a paper airplane, a trophy, and an apple.
How?
I don't fucking know.
It doesn't let me. It doesn't let me click.
Wait, so what happens?
Like the trophy's right there. The paper. There's 3 paper airplanes.
So it's
So do 3, 2, 2.
the middle one. What do you mean? Oh, wait. No. Wait, is it 312?
No. What is it? What's the order?
It would be, so it's paper airplane trophy apple, but
3,
the
2,
one that
2.
looks like it's the gold trophy.
Okay.
What do you mean 322?
That's how many there are. There's 2. Oh, there you go.
What? You just guessed that? That's the only.
No, I didn't. There's 2 apples. There's 2
Oh,
trophies, 3
I
planes.
see what you're saying. Yeah.
Big old bitch. Okay, now what do
Oh,
we
so
do?
what is this?
The guy in the cage is.
I think the guy in the cage is the fucking dude. I'm just putting that out there. I think he fucked dude's wife. Gave her back shots.
Okay.
So what's
The guy in the cage. Okay, so do we go back to the
so there's
basement?
7 seconds of footage.
Uh-huh.
Maybe it's a 7.
Hmm. He's pointing down. What's he pointing to?
The Rock.
The rock? Okay, I'm going to the basement. Do you have the rock?
Every second counts, but not behind bars. And it points down to a lock. That's what it says under the rock.
Okay.
The rock that I tried to pick up in the beginning and wouldn't let me do anything, that same rock, now I can magically pick up. Every second counts, but not behind bars. Points down to a lock. The fuck does that mean?